What is in his mind, I really don't know. But he is eligible for VRS. This is the eligibility for VRS. If you put on that many years of service, you can voluntarily retire. You get the same benefits.
Government has
terminal benefits. But what are the reasons you should ask him? No? We lose officers on superannuation. Retired politician government servant permanent
so that problem na government
government is staff kitko asta. There are hundreds of officers. So somebody else will take the place.
VRS की eligibility still take
No, बताइए वो लोग जी महाजागरण कितना कर देते हैं? It's individual decision. कितना asta? हमको पढ़े सांगता बाबा के ना करती 100 वर्षांनी हाँ नो. मग आमका दिसतं ऑफिसर आहे म्हणून. तुमचे ऑफिसर अगर आवश्यक दिसतं ना किती करूया?
आता अनेक it is because केसी के लागून करून VRS असे बनले.
मग दिसतं. I have not understood the case. But if there is a case, we have to fight the case.
Do you feel that this is a false case?
I have not seen it.
Because
in fact, I called the SP today afternoon. पहले माहिती घे बाबा किती केस होती. According to ELVIS, he was not in the housing board at that relevant time. So how is he responsible if he is not there? But I have to verify this, no?
So that means the people who are filing these cases are totally unaware, like the officers.
I really don't know. Whether it's a decision to victimize somebody or it's a political decision or it's a factual decision, I don't know.
No, I have not thought about anything. Right now I only decided to take VRS because rules permit me to take that.
No, but next year you were supposed to be inducted into IAS and suddenly this is more.
I was supposed to be inducted earlier. Why next year? Much earlier. So it didn't happen.
Government work with the
Everybody knows under what circumstances.
No, but what happens next after VRS for ELVIS?
That time will tell.
Okay.